أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الصلاة كانت على المؤمنين كتابا موقوتا. Surah An-Nisa, verse 104. Prayer is an obligation on the believers to be observed at its appointed time. The promised Messiah ﷺ says, "There are some who in the prayer desire to rid themselves of evil distractions immediately, although yuqimuna salata indicates something quite the opposite. Is Allah unaware? Hazrat Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani, may Allah have mercy on him, states that spiritual reward is earned only until strenuous efforts remain. When these efforts cease to exist, spiritual reward no longer remains either. In other words, fasting and prayer are considered deeds only as long as one is required to struggle against evil temptation to perform them. However, when these deeds attain a higher status, and the one who fasts and observes the prayer escapes the clutches of forced effort and develops an inherent inclination to virtue, fasting and observing prayer no longer remain to be deeds. Then Hazrat Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani rahimahullah ta'ala goes on to raise the question himself. Does this mean that such a person is exempt from observing prayer? For spiritual rewards was only attainable until a person was required to make a forced effort. The fact of the matter is that prayer no longer remains to be a deed. Rather, it becomes a reward in itself. This prayer becomes the nourishment of such a person and the delight of their eyes. It is paradise on earth. Malfuzat, Volume 1, page 25 and 26.